In this video, we'll go over the three different versions of SMS-iT and the three different dashboards. So you may have noticed on the left-hand side a cloud version and an SMS-iT gateway. Let's talk about what these are. So the dashboard you see here is what's called the decentralized dashboard. This is what is typically integrated with Twilio or something along those lines. Now, the next thing down is the cloud version. If you've purchased the cloud version of SMS-iT, you'll notice that there's a, basically the same features in the dashboard, but in here you can buy different credits and you can utilize like the cloud version phone numbers, things like that. We'll go back to the decentralized version here for a moment. And right here on SMS-iT Gateway, what this is used for is if you're using, let's say, for example, a cellular phone where you've decided to connect SMS-iT to your mobile phone. Maybe you're using an Android phone or an iPhone through like a third party where you've bought an unlimited messaging service, but you want to connect your phone to the SMS-iT gateway that way. That's when you would use this version to get everything set up there as far as your devices and things like that to link to SMS-iT. So that's the three different versions, three different dashboards rather, that you'll see when you're in SMS-iT. And again, we'll just click here and we will go back to the decentralized dashboard. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.